Hello everybody, Nikki here with a new More You Know video. In this one, we'll discuss everything you need to know about the My Universal Photos package. But first, let me remind you to click that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll be notified for future videos. Taking pictures is an important part of any vacation. The My Universal Photo Package at Universal Orlando is an add-on product which is sold separately from your park ticket to help you capture those special vacation moments. There are photo centers at Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. As soon as you enter the park on the right-hand side, you'll see the photo centers. Here you can purchase prints and picture frames and such, or ask questions of the My Universal program team. To redeem your package after purchasing online, bring your confirmation email to a will call window at the front gate or one of the My Universal Photo locations at either theme park to receive your My Universal Photos package. So what's offered with the My Universal Photo package? Well, there are photographers stationed all around the park to take iconic photos of you and your family. And even cooler, many of the attractions have on-ride photos available, and that is something that you cannot capture with your smartphone. I'll tell you which rides have that feature in a moment. Additionally, there are a couple self-service selfie post locations. The Back to the Future Time Machine has a selfie post location, as does the Jurassic Park Spinosaurus Jeep. The photo package offers unlimited digital downloads of your theme park photos, including character meet and greets and pictures at many of Universal's popular rides and attractions. Now, just as a warning, a photographer may not always be at a character meet and greet location, like SpongeBob StorePants or even the Raptor Encounter. The Raptor Encounter is more likely to have a photographer for the larger raptors, not the baby raptors. When you purchase a package, you'll receive a My Universal Photos theme lanyard and photo card. The photo card is what stores your photos. So when you first come up to a photographer for a photo, they will scan it or take a picture of your photo card. And when you get off a ride that offers on-ride photos, you'll find the photo kiosk at the exit. Find your photo and scan your photo card. You'll also be able to view your photos on the Amazing Pictures app on your smartphone, so make sure you download that app. This makes it so much easier to share your photos on social media. When you purchase a My Universal Photos package, you'll also have access to discounts on photos and photo gift products in-park and online. Be sure to visit the Darkroom on Hollywood Boulevard. The Darkroom is a green screen photo stop with many awesome backgrounds to choose from. They even have seasonal backdrops. This is the place to get creative with your posing. Want to have a floating head effect? Just wear a green shirt. Now, for the current packages offered and pricing information, and remember, this information is always subject to change, but here's the deal at the time of this recording. You can always double check this online, and I'll leave links in the description box. In fact, you'll actually get a better deal if you purchase online rather than in the parks. Also be warned, there is no annual pass holder discount. First up is the one-day photo package, exclusively available online. You get unlimited digital downloads of your theme park photos, including character meet and greets and pictures at many of the most popular rides and attractions, and it's available at participating locations in Universal Studios Florida, Universal's Islands of Adventure, and Universal's Volcano Bay. You will also receive a My Universal Photos themed lanyard and card, discounts on photo gift products both in park and online, and you can view and share those photos throughout the day on the Amazing Pictures mobile app. You also get one 4x6 and one 5x7 photo print at the time of purchase, and exclusive pricing on park photo prints. This will run you about $69.99 plus tax per card. Up next, the 3-day photo package. You can buy online or in parks, but you save about $10 off the in-park price if you buy online and in advance. You get up to 3 consecutive days of photos in the parks, unlimited digital downloads available at all participating locations within the 3 parks, a lanyard and a card, discounts on photo gift products in both in-park and online, one 3-5x7 in a folder, one 4x6 print valid in-park or online, $5 5x7s, $10 8x10 prints, and $2 4x6 prints at participating My Universal Photos locations. The 3-day photo package will run you about $109.99 plus tax per card. Next up, Volcano Bay Waterpark 1-day photo package. You can save up to $10 off the in-park price when you buy online and in advance. You get 1 day of photos in Universal's Volcano Bay, unlimited digital downloads of your theme park photos from participating locations. There is an annual pass option as well. With this, you have year-round access to this product. The annual photo pass is only available for in-park purchase. You cannot buy that online. And it typically runs around $160. Here's some things to keep in mind. Shutter buttons within the Wizarding World of Harry Potter is not included in the My Universal Photo package, but the green screen photos taken within Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts queue is. Another thing to keep in mind, just outside of London as you're heading towards San Francisco, is Amazing Pictures. Now, this is not included in the My Universal Photo package either, but it has some hilariously fun picture opportunities. Finding a photo op. Each photo op location around the park is a perfect spot to take a picture. Whether you're passing by a big attraction or mid-scream on a wild ride, My Universal Photos is there to capture that moment. Universal Studios Florida locations include the park entrance, E.T.'s Toy Closet and Photo Spot, Men in Black Alien Attack, Revenge of the Mummy, Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket, Meet the Transformers, Back to the Future Selfie Post, Meet the Minions at Super Silly Stuff, Meet Donkey, and the Dark Room Photo Studio. Universal's Islands of Adventure locations include DePhoto's Expedition Photography at the park entrance, The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, The Incredible Hulk Coaster, Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls, Jurassic Park River Adventure, Spinosaurus Selfie Post in Jurassic Park, the Raptor Encounter Photo Op in Jurassic Park, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, and the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. Universal's Volcano Bay locations include many of the slides as well as selfie posts. And now you know a little bit more about the My Universal Photo package. What do you think? Is it something you would consider purchasing? Or would you rather just use your smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and check out these other More You Know videos.